right now, Amazon has not released the dates for 2018 for what they call the key FBA dates. So they have not released them yet, all right? But last year, we know what happened last year. So, and this is in America, not in Australia, because Australia FBA wasn't launched, all right? So we can only look to the past to give us indicators about what's going to happen in the future. Here's what happened last year. November the 7th was the deadline for Black Friday and Cyber Monday inventory to arrive in Amazon's fulfillment centers. November 7, all right? That was the deadline for that crazy holiday sales fest, money fest, all right? December 1, deadline for Christmas inventory to arrive at the fulfillment centers. December 1. Now, I don't know if it's going to be December 1 this year. I also don't know if it's going to apply to Amazon FBA here in Oz. I don't know. But that's what happened last year. December 17 was the first day to start sending in 2018, so the following year's inventory. December 17, all right? So also factor in two things. You're going to ship your products from China. So two things to note. China will be mayhem over that period of time, because there'll be all of the folks who are trying to sell things, not just on Amazon, but everywhere online, who are buying it from China, are going to be wanting their stock. It will be absolute mayhem. Plus, the Chinese will be preparing themselves for Chinese New Year when everything's going to stop. All right, so there's that to consider. Thing number two to consider. Because of that, because of the number of people who will be trying to get their stock, the freight shipping companies will also be nutsoid. They'll be crazy, all right? So factor in that. So I guess what I'm saying is you should give yourself some leeway and do everything you can to get ready as quickly as possible. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Because of those extraneous mitigating factors, it's going to be a bit of a shit fight. It always is. And it's only getting more and more busy, of course. So, Karen, I hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.